PDF Imposition makes professional print layouts fast and simple. Let's walk through the full workflow with the latest release. Head to pdfimposition.com. The app loads instantly, no install needed. Drop in your PDF, and the planner gets to work immediately, reading your document and building the imposition plan. You can see the preview update in real time as the app arranges your pages onto press sheets. From the sidebar, dial in your layout. Choose the number of pages per sheet, set your plate size, and configure marks like crop and bleed. The workflow has been streamlined so you spend less time configuring and more time printing. When everything looks right, hit Generate PDF. Your imposed, press-ready file downloads in seconds, exactly matching what you see in the preview. PDF Imposition. Precise layouts every time. Try it free at pdfimposition.com.